Welcome students. This is your fine arts painting theory class. Students, today we are going to read very important topic, the evolution of Indian national flag from unit 3. Question related to it are asked almost every year in the exams. And also the topic is Indian flag, so we should know about it anyway. Okay? Let's start. Name of the flag, the Indian national flag, also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Medium, colored cloth, mostly khadi. Size of the flag is in the ratio of 3:2. Courtesy, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Let's start with the introduction. Every free nation of the world has its own flag. It is a symbol of free country. National flag is the glory of people and the symbol of their national identity. So the aim of making national flag was separate identity as well as mark of pride. In India, various flags were designed for nation, but finally Indian national flag was hoisted on 22nd July 1947. The evolution of national flag reflects the political development in the country during 20th century. Evolution of national flag completed in several stages. The first stage, 1906. The first national flag was hoisted on 7th August 1906 in the Percy Bagan Square, Green Park in Calcutta, now Kolkata. The flag was composed of 3 horizontal stripes of red, yellow and green. You can also see in the picture the topmost stripe is green, the second one is in yellow and the last one is in red color. On the top green stripe, 8 white lotuses have been shown in a row. On the middle yellow stripe, the word Vande Mataram is written in dark blue color in Devanagari Lipi or Devanagari script. And the bottom stripe, a half moon and a sun have been shown in white color. The next flag, second national flag, was prepared during the session of Indian National Congress in Bazawada, now known as Vijayawada, in 1921 AD. It was made up of 2 horizontal red and green stripes, and the middle was marked charkha. The green stripe represent Muslim community and the red one represent Hindu. Gandhiji suggested to add white stripe in the flag to represent rest of Indian communities and charkha in blue color as the symbol of progress, accepted in 1931. So white stripe was added at the top and charkha in the middle of 3 colors. Last flag, 1947, the final flag of India. On July 22nd, 1947, a new flag of Free India's national flag was hoisted, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly. The tricolor flag's significance remains the same as the second flag. The national flag with saffron at the top, white at the middle and green at the bottom in the equal proportion, and the charkha to be replaced by chakra in navy blue, which appears in the loin capital of Ashoka at Sarnath as Dharma Chakra. The size of the flag is in the ratio of 3:2. All 3 stripes of the flag are to be equal in width and length. 24 spokes of Ashok Chakra are evenly placed. It is to be painted on the both sides of the flag in the navy blue color. Now, significance of colors. Every color in Indian national flag signifies the important part of Indian tradition, history, vision and culture. The saffron color in the national flag of India, top band is of saffron color, which shows the strength, and courage. White in the middle band with Dharma Chakra indicates peace, honesty, and truth. The last band in green color shows fertility, faith, chivalry, and growth. Ashok Chakra, known as Dharma Chakra, the chakra shows that there is a life in movement. It represents the righteousness, progress, and continuity. 24 spokes of the wheel represent the 24 hour of a day, means continuous cycle progress of the nation around the 24 hours of the day. Navy blue color of the chakra shows vastness, secularism, trust, and truthfulness. So, these are the stages of the evolution of Indian national flag. Thank you.